Wow, that's what I call great service. I Googled safes, locksmith, Queens, Brooklyn, Long Island, and found Home Run Locksmith Company. Within the hour, I had a new lock, a set of keys, and a fully functional safe door again. I really can't speak highly enough of this service. A must for anyone needing a locksmith in the area.
I Googled safes, locksmith, Queens, Brooklyn, Long Island, and I found the Home Run Locksmith. Absolutely amazing service. I managed to book in yesterday for a lock replacement this morning, and they did the job within 10 minutes. They're really friendly, their prices are spot on, and they're very efficient. We'll definitely use them again.
I got a great service from Home Run Locksmiths. I found them when I Googled safes, locksmith, Queens, Brooklyn, Long Island. They got the parts very quickly and came around early in the morning, and they fitted a whole new complex lock system in only 15 minutes. Highly recommended.